back with another video. Today we are playing some more Bee Swarm. Also, update, I have 34 bees now. One more. And if you want to say I'm kind of AFK, but I mean I don't have any boost or nothing, but still, there we go. Alright, well, yeah, I'm here with a friend, Legendary Shutter 1.
Yep.
Shoutouts to Legendary Shutter. Anyway, yeah, shout out to him. Thank you, Shutter, for helping me. Guys, I'll be right back.
What was that about? That was serious.
Sorry, guys, I'm back. Yeah, shout out to Legendary Shutter 1 for always helping me with these ones. You're a real good friend, and let's keep it that way. You always help me with everything, and yeah, that's it. Shout outs to him. And if you know Legendary Shutter 1, and you're friends with him or something, and if he's not subscribed to me or if he doesn't see this, tell him. He's a good friend. The new hype slot, it's kind of a lot. It's 209 million and I already have 122 million, so not much longer until I can have it. But like, yeah, it's kind of long. Let's see. Anyway, back to this. I have to go do this. I'm not gonna do stick bug either because I want to get the amulet, but like no one really ever helps me. But if you're a pro out there and you want to, and you're subscribed to me and you want to friend me, go ahead and tell me your name in the description, and I will friend you, and we can start playing together. And if you would, please help me with stick bug, and then I can get the amulet. So yeah. It's just going nuts in this field, really. But yeah guys, I will be time-lapsing now, and let's AFK.